Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a very monumental day for a couple of reasons. Mainly one very big reason. We're not in Arizona right now. We are back in Minnesota. Shout out to Radisson Blue. Look at this, upgraded the suite. Anyways, so yeah, we are going to be doing something that requires these two cashier's checks and a little bit of drama because one of the cashier's checks the branch manager didn't sign. So she's actually gonna meet me at the dealership, thankfully, very sweet of her. She's gonna meet me at the dealership and we have to get this all taken care of. So stay tuned, it's very exciting. I'm crazy excited for what's about to happen. So it's been a long process. This has been since almost November of last year. So about 9 months in the works here. We're about to have a little baby. So stay tuned to see what is birthed in this video. Yeah, so this has been about 9 months in the making. So I'm just glad that we're finally approaching this like conclusion. So it's just very exciting. So stay tuned and just enjoy the ride, man. I'm about to take a nap. I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning to make sure I could get out here on time. Pretty hyped. All right, so let's see what we got.
All right. They got it in the back?
Well, I saw it on their website and it was in the showroom.
Sure.
So we'll see. Oh, I see some M residue. Yeah. Where the keys at? I'm trying to fire it up right now. Can I get less fingerprints on this thing?
Damn, man. Are these different beer sets?
Yeah, these are all the whatever they're called, gillies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you get all like just the.
So these are like adjustable then, aren't they? Damn.
Hey, how you doing, Aaron? Hey, what's going on, man? The only thing I wish they would have done is go black on the frames.
On the swing arm?
Or on the swing arm, yeah. Because I love the black on the frame here. Wish they would have did that. They didn't do it to save weight, but I'm just like,
a little bit, just a little bit.
You know what I'm saying? I'll take the extra 2 ounces. Yeah, I'll take that.
You don't even know about it. That's
Jeez.
I don't know, maybe you just keep it.
I want to. Here, hold this.
Yeah.
case.
Ooh, full tank of gas. Let's go.
Dang.
Yeah, $100 is fine. I just want to make sure that you get
Want to take it out
sold
so
out.
bad.
Just ride it today.
No, because you know, at what point do I stop? Just put 5 miles on it, or
Right.
10 miles on it, or 20 miles on it?
that's
Because they're all
bet.
pretty low.
Then it's
100
600.
miles,
Yeah.
right. Let's get it to the break-in point.
It's like, you know what? I'm gonna get a
1,000
dyno.
miles.
I'll get a dyno tune.
Yeah, right. I'll get a brand tune on it. Next guy's in reception. What's up, John?
How are you?
Doing excellent, man. How are you?
Yeah.
Just okay?
Yeah, just okay. Crazy guys from Moto Emerge.
Yeah, how was it?
Busy and slow.
Yeah. Any successes?
Connie came in third on the second race.
Hey, let's go. Got a gang.
Totaled the bike on the first race.
Oh no.
These things happen.
I mean, it was.
It's just Ducati things.
Right, just got it.
He got the salvageable from that bike. All right.
Yeah. We'll see if they have any bearings on the right side. I'll grab those from them.
So I'm working a deal. We will be the exclusive dealer for Minnesota for those products. The non-dealer available.
Soma? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's it. That's awesome, man. You're always up to something, John.
Well, my old boss was there.
Yeah?
Aldo Ferrari, making it all work.
You're the guy to know. Yeah.
Turn around, Aaron.
I'll take it. Yeah, I got a great price for you, Rob. Since we're friends, and I'll cut you a deal.
$2,500 more than MSRP, right?
Something close to 25.
$2,500 more than
A
MSRP.
little more than that. We'll see what we can do.
Make it look sick.
Guys are the guys that are supposed to help
Not just a little stuff.
Let me change this up.
I'm like, let me get this perfect for me. Just so I can not ride. Here's the keys up here.
Yeah. You guys see.
Huh? Oh, I think it's an awesome bike.
No, we don't have a key for it. You don't have a key. The key gets sent separately. We're gonna have to wait for that to show up on the ship.
It's an extra $500.
How are you, bud? How was your flight?
Man, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Rob?
Good to see you again, bud. How are you? Franz, awesome to see you, bud.
Nice to see you. Take care.
So it's this one, right? This one. You want the key to this one?
The K1200?
Yeah, usually with
So where are we
sale.
at in the process? We're looking for a key. We got to get you together with Eric. Eric, do you have paperwork?
Yeah, should be all good to go.
Has money, has paperwork. That's a perfect combination. All right?
Yes, sir.
So I'll just grab the key.
Yeah, all right.
I'll take her down 35 real quick. Make sure it looks good.
They're all back order.
Top the sucker out quick.
I've been trying to get extra pieces.
Because all of a sudden,
I want to take it out so bad.
literally a dirt
We
dump.
can't. Hey, you can.
Self-control.
Put a little rear seat on it. I'll put it on the bag. I'll get the GoPro footage.
There is a passenger seat and pegs. I have those in a box for
All
you.
right, there we
I
go.
got the owner's manual and some other information.
Is it saying that's 1,000 or did they do anything special?
Then in order to close it, that'll be, if you had to go that, it'll probably be a total loss.
Like 5
Well, no, somebody over there, somebody said that each of these components.
They are,
Yeah.
but once you add up so many
maybe Rob
components,
wants
it costs more than a new tank. Yeah, because there was a piece or two.
Yeah.
I have to have something for part of the coffee outside. And I'm not taking the BMW trailer. I'm taking the black trailer, and that's the only extra.
Blocking all the way.
I mean, it's not your fault.
Well, it is. I down there. There's no breeze at all. And then also, we get the tent under control. Look down the track, and there's like about 50 tons of air.
And push it all on the trainer, you always gotta worry about the maintenance pressure. Man,
You guys okay if Eric starts?
Yeah, we got
side drop because it's going to smoke the show.
Yeah, so that's why the top was off of it.
Okay, we were wondering why it was off, but I was saying, it's easier this way because now I can put the BMW top on.
Right.
No pressure.
No pressure.
So how much you say you want for it?
What's that?
Ask Aaron how much you want for it.
A couple pennies over 40.
He's not there. Yeah, okay. Got traffic jam going.
Traffic jam.
Got a big page touting Little Beauty.
Little baby.
You just run right into him and get him on the way.
Yeah. And I'm checking. Because some of those still fucking
I might have to pick up the 2020. 2020.
Mr. Taylor.
What's up, Greg?
I'll come down and get a sec.
Here we are.
Let's go first startup.
Thanks.
Oh, I would always do that way of that.
Got a 4 second gas, you better just.
I know, I really like popping up.
Super smooth. When I rode Cody's and axles,
Yeah.
they're really nice.
Especially going from
Right.
Congratulations. Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
Aaron, this is a buddy of mine from high school, Franz. I didn't even know he knew people, Eric and Zach, and I walk in and there he is. You know, we graduated together in 1990.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have said that so loud. We're getting fucking old. I appreciate it. Man, she's beautiful. You're gonna get a special plate.
Are these thinner in front?
Tires?
No, these like little.
Let's.
I don't know, air
the
ducts?
air.
Are they thinner than the standard S1000, or is that how the new?
Isn't the standard S1 have 3?
I think those are the same size. I'd have to take a look.
Okay.
It does look, oh, you're right, I think it looks a little different.
So I feel like they're
Maybe
just a
the
little bit
fins are
wider.
out a bit more or something.
Yeah, something about it's a little bit goofy.
Man, those running lights, I never even turned it on. I like the LEDs underneath there. It makes it look, it's anthropomorphic of a person.
Wow, with the vocab today.
You know, bottom quarter of my graduating class. That's the problem I've always had. We can grab it from anywhere, but that's a mess, huh? Yeah.
She's warm now. Rev her out to 10K. Just one wheelie.
Oh, it doesn't even go over 10K. What is it locked at? 8,000 RPMs? Or is it 9,000?
9.
9?
I believe.
Don't have a weak leg moment, you know?
No. Coming in hot. Oh, you know this guy. With the original BMW board.
Axel, what's up, buddy?
Oh, it's Axel. Alright. I didn't recognize you, bud. Sorry about that. I was like, I'm gonna have to clothesline this guy if he comes up on the path. Well, we answered the question. We're asking if the front end was different. Same thing.
Get some side-by-side photos or something. That sounds normal, huh? When you're riding, it's very like a little crunchy. A little crunchy. It feels like a fucking Ducati. It's so funny.
Clearing some phlegm out of its throat.
You already know what it is. Top floor, let's go. 13th floor, baby. You know, we stay at the top. Stay at the top. Some people have a fear of heights. I actually have a fear of the ground. So I walk in here, I'm like, yo, I need to go up. Let's see. I figure out my room. I think we're over here. Is it this one? 1323? No, it's not that one. I don't remember. What's going on?
You talking about the black one?
Here it is, 13, 15. Let's go. Can we just peep the lightscape? Hold on, let me turn this off. Come on now. Let's go with the ambiance. Let's go. Let's go. And of course, you know, we up here. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with me. Let's go. All right, folks. Oh, drop the book. Chilling. This doesn't feel real, you know? BMW M1000-RR. I don't know what else to say. So, appreciate you guys rocking with me on this part of the journey. That sounds stupid.